long it's been. This dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open now. Bless this ground unbroken.
All dog up this break to go out for my mommy and cousin Mel's birthday. So that's for everybody.
Who's the birthday beat? To the birthday beat.
Hey.
To the birthday.
And that's my mother, all dolled up. Hey. And Melissa's friend. Say hi.
Hi then.
Oh my God, kids. Yeah.
Hey to the Ray.
Hey.
Hey to the Ray to the birthday beat.
Whoa, look how pretty
Birthday
it is. My two pretty
Birthday.
ladies.
Come.
Give me a hug, yeah. Hey.
Just can't see them.
Stand still.
I am treated. Medicine one.
The restaurant buffet restaurant, and that's my family.
That's my baby. My Pari.
That's
My
right.
brother died. Say which is right.
That's everybody coming in. So.
Come. That's my baby. What? Go.
A video.
A video, you know?
Why you
video.
Anyway.
Getting our food ready.
Buffet, everybody take their own food.
This is the buffet, and cousin Mel and mommy just sharing out their food. Eating now. All the food. Happy birthday to them. Happy birthday to mommy and cousin Mel.
Yeah, two early.
There's a spoon and a fork.
Happy birthday.
This is more than a happy birthday. This is a beautiful.
Eating ice cream.
Right?
Hey, you know what? I don't want to give me no praise, not give me no ratings in my day, and else I got the face, and else I got the face bit.
That's what I'm talking
I
about.
I don't know what I saw it about it.
It's alright, cool, man. Big time flash of flash. It's alright, man. So my niece told me, man, black and big time. It's a lot of
And the man put up the piece there.
I'm feeling bad, man. Since I'm not getting feeling.
This is a fun day. This is so much fun.
Oh yeah, you don't know why you want that?
Oh, no, I told me not to play, man. I don't know. But anyway, I play.
Man, we stole that Melissa money. And then you don't need them. Keep everything.
Man.
Never on diet.
Yeah. We have a 6-pack, you can only fill all 6-pack.
Oh, you have 6 months?
But I drink up my juice neither. Man, I'm tell you before. Okay, this is my room, man.
Yeah, flat water.
My belly is so full.
I enjoy my day. I am fine. Bye.
I do. For the shore.
That's how we do at the club, I get next.
Do that service. I'm going. New York.
No, don't fear.
Okay, but we didn't catch it. Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rosie and Mel. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Let them blow them candles.
Make a wish.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Thank you.
Oh, but if I tell about it.
Oh, this is awesome.
When it comes true.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
When it comes true, they can tell.
Them dream already come true.
Look at our fruits. We have little bunnies. Oh.
A bunny for 2 years.
So cute. Them talented man. Come here, we don't think about to make a little tiny bunny like this.
do something for you.
Aww.
They're surprised.
How you think anybody get surprised?
So this is a big surprise. I'm tell them it's our birthday today. Yeah, but next to the restaurant.
Yeah, let me just make it their birthday.
Let's make a look. Let's hear what the people do.
The babies. Lick a bit. Aye. Party.
So we want you to do.
It's okay.
Hey.
You can't do that. They're doing their bad girl pose.
Bad girl. It's my birthday. She's a bad girl. It's her birthday. I'm a bad girl. Like a rock star. Like a rock star.
Hey. Fatty.
Man, you don't take a picture good. This is you? Don't take a picture good. Man, you don't take a picture good. Move backward.
It's pretty. My mom is so pretty. Are we in on the taxi now? I'm tired and my belly hurts.
Now walk, I just try to open and you know that.
Mama, you need black like mine, like a girl. Look up by your floor. Look up by the knee.
Tina's here. She's going to surprise her sister for her birthday. Look at my face. I can't stop smiling. I'm so happy to see you. I'm happy to be here. Oh, what's wrong with them? Alright, the balloon gone. So, let's go video the reaction. Today.
What a surprise!
Happy birthday! What we can't see your face?
I can't see
Melissa! Wow, Winston!
Oh my God!
You doing alright?
She come for my birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy laugh, she don't know, she not alright.
Yo! Girl, how's the next person?
She don't laugh.
Tina, you extra!
Tina is the birthday gift.
It's her birthday.
Oh, the one who's laughing?
Yes. That's my sister.
That your sister?
Yes.
Oh, my sister. Both
Oh,
of you.
one. Yeah.
I think you.
And the present. Come now, leave.
Will you marry me?
so pretty.
Sister proposal.
Come here. You know where?
We're waiting on cousin Mel to come home for her surprise birthday party. Interesting surprise party. I think she already knew about it, but my mom is still trying to surprise her for her birthday, and you know it's my mom's birthday as well. So let's see. We're waiting for her. She's not home yet. That's my mother, and then you guys saw this already. And they stuff on the table for the surprise party or the birthday party. That's my auntie Cheryl showing her belly and eating popcorn. Yeah.
When Melissa come, say stop say something.
That's everybody and the baby. That's Auntie Tina, Cousin Tina, anyone, depends. And the babies. We're all waiting. You gotta laugh.
Oh, so we got surprise. Oh my god. No. Oh, she had to go to her popcorn. I'm gonna get her some popcorn.
Mommy, no, it was obvious, right? Because I ran inside.
Oh god, we're having fun. Fun that we even have cake. It's a birthday. You tell, it's not over. Don't put that picture.
More birthday.
Girl, I got a surprise and I walked in the door like a vampire.
The birthday never ends.
This
Right,
is
so
the
tomorrow
day.
it
My
ends.
sister Shani said that.
It ends tomorrow. Tomorrow.
So I'm eating cake, guys. That's the cake that we're eating. So as y'all know, the day is done. Today was a very, very good day and a very blessed day. I'm gonna wash this off my face. I'm gonna go sleep because I'm tired and I had an amazing night. Whoop! Peace.